Load shedding. Load shedding paragraph. Load shedding, a term synonymous with power outages, is an interruption in the supply of electricity that affects individuals, communities, and industries. It arises due to a disparity between the demand for electricity and the available power generation capacity. Load shedding often occurs when the demand for electricity exceeds the supply, leading to the need for controlled and temporary power cuts. These episodes of power loss can disrupt daily life and business operations, impacting everything from household routines to industrial productivity. During load shedding, homes are plunged into darkness, and essential appliances such as lights, refrigerators, and heating systems become non-functional. Businesses and industries face challenges in maintaining operations, and technological devices rely on backup sources to stay functional. The effects of load shedding extend beyond inconvenience, as it can hinder economic growth and development. Industries suffer from reduced productivity and increased operational costs due to the disruption of machinery and processes. It also affects the quality of essential services such as healthcare and education, as medical facilities and schools depend on consistent power supply. Efforts to mitigate the impact of load shedding include the use of backup power sources like generators and batteries. Additionally, governments and utility companies work towards increasing power generation capacity, enhancing infrastructure, and promoting energy conservation. Load shedding underscores the importance of a reliable and sustainable energy supply. As societies strive for technological advancements and improved living standards, addressing the challenges of load shedding becomes crucial to ensuring seamless daily functioning and fostering economic progress.